What's up, Kenya? Habari sana. Yeah, as you can see, your boy is in your city. I'm here with the team, and we're ready to give you guys good vibe as usual. I miss you all. Yeah, it's been a while. Thank God for life. And of course, I didn't come empty-handed, so I came with my babies, It's fly sticks. All right, so I just have a limited package, and I want to give it to some lucky drummers out there. All you need to do is hit me right up. My DM, go straight and hit me right up, and I will have it passed to you ASAP. Peace out.
Hey guys, this is Gospel and I play the keys for alternate sound.
Hey, I'm Barkan and I play the bass for alternate sound.
Drummer boy Stanley, playing the drums for alternate sound.
Go by the name DJ Rumby, yeah, DJ Alternate Sound. Yajo Wase, together we are Alternate
Alternate
Sound.
Sound.
Come catch a vibe with us on the 12th of December at the NGONG race cars at the Just a Vibe concert. Promise you it's gonna be a real vibe.
Come with fire.
Go get your tickets.
That's right, get your tickets.